This is Casey K. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if this is your first time here. So today, guys, we are going to be doing a head wrap tutorial. I'm going to show y'all a few different styles. So I hope you guys enjoy this. And please don't forget to click that like button below. And make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. And also hit that bell so you know when I'm updated. You know what I'm saying? So let's get into this video, y'all. So first, I'm gonna start out by putting my head back into a ponytail at the top, but I do want to take out my sides. This is my personal preference. You don't have to do this. Excuse the glare coming off my glasses. As y'all know, it's a struggle when you're wearing glasses and trying to do your hair. So, and this don't need to be no tight bun, no tight puff. No tight puff, just do your little something real quick and let it be done. We got our handy dandy scarf right here. So, take this, make sure you ain't got your leave out, and we're gonna wrap it around our head. And we just go take this. Make sure it's nice and tight. Bring that around town like that there. And then we're gonna take this part, bring that around town like that there. And then we just go tie this guy real quick. This does not have to be perfect, y'all. And bam, I got it tied. So I'm just tuck anywhere where, you know, I don't feel bothered. But this is pretty good for me. Show you how it looks in the back. As long as you got something like this working, you good, sis. It ain't gotta be perfect. So I got my handy dandy head wrap. Now I'm just gonna place this over my head. And this head wrap I got from Amazon. So I'm just gonna place this over my head, make sure my sides are down. Make sure it's tight, y'all, make sure it's tight. Take this part and wrap it around your head. And then you can take this part and begin to wrap around that side as well. This is how it looks, guys. So let me show you how to jazz this up though, because it's missing something. Yeah, it's cute, you can wear it like this, but hey, look, you know what I'm saying? We some queens, so we gotta do a little bit extra. Now y'all know, this is what make this style pop, okay? These babies right here. You got to have you some hoops, girl. So that's wham bam, thank you, ma'am. Oh, if you feeling a little extra queenish, I got something for you too. This is just an old necklace. I got it from Rue 21. You can use whatever, you know, jewelry you want to use, hair jewelry. This is what it is, y'all. So this is the final look. Real sexy, real pretty. Alright, so here we go with our next style. So I'm just gonna keep it in this bun right here. Well, I'm just gonna keep it in this puff. I'm not, because it's gonna go kind of at the tippy top. So, okay, so this one we're gonna tie this. So you want to make sure you got it pretty secure. So you want it as tight as you can get it. So that's how it's looking. It's looking pretty good. Pretty nice and tight. So I'm gonna just tie this, bring it through the little hole. Y'all know how to tie. And we're just going to let that be tight on our head. Okay. It's looking pretty good. Pretty nice and even. That's what we like to see. Alright. So, fix any like bulky parts that you may see. So, with that being said, we're going to twist this. Twist it about, twist. Leave this like open. And you'll see why. So we're going to twist this as tight as we can. And this is a look, guys. This is the final look. And that's what we're working with, y'all. This is how it looks. This is the final look, okay? The final look. Okay, y'all, so let's break this style down and get on to the next one. So we on to the next style now, all right? This particular style, I'm gonna put a bun in the back. We popping with our pink hair wrap again. Pop it, okay? So I'm just gonna put this over my head like so. I'm gonna leave this side alone for a second. And I'm just gonna twist, not too tight, but a nice little twist looking. And then you go blah down like that. Blah down. This is a whole look, okay? Now you go with the Went Fabulous. But this is the look, y'all, you know what I'm saying? Okay. This is real queen vibes. Queens only, queens only. So if this particular style is not your steez, and you don't want this part out, sis, this is what we go do. And this is style number 4. This is what we go do. We go twist it up just like we did the first style. Okay. And bring that around town like you did before. Bring it round town. Bring it round town. SpongeBob style. Okay. Real nice and cute, right? This is a real classy classy look in my opinion. Okay, so this is style number 5, the last style we're gonna do today. And this is the final look, guys. If you feeling queenish, with you a queen every day, but you feel like just emphasizing your queenish, and that's how you do it. So you're looking poppy. So that is it, guys. I'm so glad that y'all stay tuned for this video. Please hit that like button below if you like this video, and make sure you subscribe to your girl. Look out, and make sure you hit that bell so you know when I'm updated. I had a great time showing y'all this hair tutorial, well, this head wrap tutorial. So you guys tune in for next week, because you know I'm weekly updates, y'all. So I'll see you guys later. Thank you guys. Bye.